Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you to do this with an old mug to make use of it. That's right, I'll be telling you something that you can do with an old mug to absolutely make use of it, okay? Now, I'm going to tell you what the thing is, and then I'll tell you why it is very, very useful to keep this in your mind, and it is a good idea to keep this in your mind. Now, this mug is something that I use regularly. It's not an old mug for me. I use this on a regular basis. I just brought it along with me to use for this video just because I needed a mug to sort of hold for an example, to use as an example. So this is the mug that I chose, but this is a mug that I use regularly. So what you can do with an old mug to make use of it is you can use it for things like being a toothbrush holder or even a pen holder or anything of that nature. So imagine you are in the bathroom and you need somewhere to store your toothbrushes, right? Boom, right here. Put them in here. Done. Imagine you're in an office and you need somewhere to store your pens. Boom, right here. Done. The idea is very simple. If you have something that is tall, okay, or long, I should say, that you want to store upright, okay, and you can just, something you could just put in something, guess what? An old mug is the perfect thing to use for that. Get your toothbrushes, stack them in there. Get your pens, stack them in there, okay? Obviously not in the same mug. You don't want to do toothbrushes and pens in the same mug, obviously. But your toothbrushes can be in one old mug in your bathroom, and then your pens can be in a different old mug in your office or wherever you keep your pens. Okay, very simple. So you can use one old mug for your toothbrushes, and you can use a different old mug for your pens, and you can use a different old mug for anything else that you can stack exactly like that. So anything that's sort of longer that you want to stack upright, this is a great solution. And let's face it, here's why it's important to keep this in your mind. The truth of the matter is that most people, many people, a lot of people, tons of people have extra mugs, okay? Mugs are things that you get and you acquire, and usually, many houses have tons of extra mugs, lots of extra mugs, and people donate them, and people, give them away, and people sell them at garage sales, and blah, blah, blah. But the truth of the matter is that all those things are great. You can do those things, but you can actually make use of an old mug by doing exactly what I told you in this video. And that's it. So that's basically it. All of those extra old mugs that you have that you don't use, right? You can make use of them. You can be resourceful, okay? And that's basically it. I just wanted to explain that in this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully you can make use of it. And that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.